I think the most efficient way to solve this problem is to divide and conquer. We have two parameters really when it comes to a line on the xy coordinate plane. There's the y-intersect. That's the point at which the line crosses the y-axis. And there's the slope. The slope is just the ratio of rise to run. So let's start with the y-intersect. We can see in this graph that the line crosses the y-axis at 2. So when we have our equation, y equals some number of x's plus or minus some number, that number at the end, that's the y-intercept. So when I look at the answer choices, I'm asking myself, which of these answer choices would have a 2 once I've isolated y? And I can eliminate answer choices A, C, and E because I can see that either the number isn't 2 or it's the wrong sign, meaning once I isolate y, it would be -2. So only B and D, once y is isolated, would have y equals some number of x's plus 2. So we've narrowed it down to two answer choices. Now we can look at the slope. In this graph, I can see that the line, as we go from left to right, it's not rising, it's actually falling. So the slope should be negative. Of the two remaining answer choices, B and D, I can see that one will have a positive slope and one will have a negative slope. So I'm going to go with the one that has a negative slope. That's answer choice B, because to isolate y, we'd have to subtract 2x from both sides. Of course, then we would divide both sides by 3, but we'll have a negative slope, a negative coefficient for the x, whereas in D, it would be positive. So I'm now confident that I can go ahead and pick answer choice B and move on to the next question.
If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.